So if you have a ceiling fan, then I know you're tired of this, having dust on your ceiling fan. So let me show you what we could use to take care of this problem. So here I have ceiling fan filters, or ceiling filter fans. So this one comes in a 6-pack, which looks like this. There's 6 of these. And the cool thing about these, on the back it has an adhesive strap, and it's a Velcro strap. So if you buy more, all you have to do, leave this in place on the ceiling fan and then just stick it with this Velcro side. So let's go ahead and put them on and show you how it's done. So first you gotta wipe down all this dust right here. So let's go ahead and clean it with a damp cloth. Okay, so I got a wet cloth. So let's clean the top off. Take off all the dust. And once you did that, then we'll go ahead and stick on this this air filter with the adhesive on the back. So you just take off the film first. So here you go. You just rip off the little paper so the adhesive shows, and we'll go ahead and stick it kind of in the middle of the blade. All right, so my ceiling fan has 3 blades, so I'll go ahead and put all 3 up. And these things I recommend to change 1 to 2 months. So after 2 months, go ahead and change them out. So this is a 6-pack that I got. So mine is good because I only have 3 blades, so I got 2 sets. So I could do it 2 months, change it out, and then another 2 months. So I'm good for 4 months. So there you have it. Very easy to install these air filters. And they keep the air clean. They don't blow it around, and it keeps the ceiling fans clean. So these things are really nice to have and very easy to install.